Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a mounting Deam MD2413-MX. It's a full motion TV mount, and I'm going to go ahead and open the box and show you what's in there. I already cut the tape that was here. There was two pieces here, one at the bottom. Inside you'll see a troubleshooting manual. You'll see the installation instructions. You get the bracket that mounts to your TV. If your TV doesn't work with just a bracket alone, you'll have to put these extension pieces. It just depends on your TV. You get these pads. What this does, it protects the arms from bumping into each other. You get a little level, which is sufficient. If you have a bigger level, it's even better. You have the tool that you would use for your bolts. You get a bag with a bunch of screws. These are the ones that go into your TV. You would choose the one that fits best in diameter wise for your TV, and then you'll have to use some spacers to fill in the gap because some of these are longer than what your TV will call for. These are the spacers. Use one of these because the fact is your TV is not going to be secure without having these spacers. Then you have some extra screws. These are the ones that would go into the wall, onto your studs. These are the ones that go to the back of your TV. This will attach your bracket to the TV at the bottom. You got some straps here to hold your wires together. And then you have the actual bracket that mounts to the wall. This is upright the way you see it. You put 3 screws, you mount this to the wall, preferably a stud. Then you have the arms that swing. This allows you to be flush up against the wall, or pretty flush. And then it also allows you to pivot up and down for your viewing angle. And then this allows you to adjust your TV if you want it to stand out, come out all the way, or if you want to put it at an angle, maybe you put this in the corner. This will work perfect for that. The way you would mount these together, this hook will attach to this part here. It just hangs on. So once this is mounted on your wall, you just hang this on like this and your TV will be hanging. Then you put 2 screws back here for it to hold. You'll also get this in the box, and basically it's a template. All you do is, this is all perforated. You take this out, you put this up against the wall, you put your little level on there just to make sure it's straight, and then you go ahead and mark your holes. Once you mark your holes, drill your holes with a drill bit, and then you could go ahead and mount your bracket. So this gives you the perfect spacing for the holes that are on the bracket. If you want to end up using this, it's very handy. I end up using this just to make my life a little easier. So that's it, guys. This is it. Really simple, really good quality. Seems to be kind of heavy compared to some other ones I bought. It has some weight to it. So I'm very happy with it. I did install a TV using this. So there is a video on that. I just figured I'd do a little unboxing, show you what you get in the box, and go on from there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. Stay tuned for any future videos. Thanks.